is How-Tos with Aaron.
So I'm going to show you how to make some great homemade dog food. It's not that expensive. It's way less processed. Your dogs are going to love it. Our dogs love it. We've got two great dogs. We've got a big one and a little one, a black lab and a Maltipoo. Come here. Come. And they love it. They eat it up. It is their favorite. So first things first is I'm going to get my wife and she's going to show you how to do it because she's the dog food mom.
We have chicken gizzards, we have carrots, rice, spinach, oatmeal, sweet peas, some oil, and ground turkey. All of these items today were only $6.37. Food Line and Walmart are the stores we get the ingredients from for our doggies. So protein it'll be switched up from ground turkey, chicken livers. Today we have gizzards, but sometimes chicken livers are good. And beans, a lot of beans. Sometimes I use beans. Also eggs. Eggs are great. First, I like to crank the stove up. I want everything piping hot to make it as fast as possible. We're aiming for under 30 minutes. We like to put the oil in first. Just a little bit of oil, some fat, and it helps keep things from sticking. So we've got some oil. Just put a little bit in like that. Fill up some water. I don't do any measuring. I just keep everything fast and simple. Oftentimes I'm making dog food as I'm doing laundry or other things. So I just want some water in here to have food boiling, the rice boiling, the meat boiling, all of it's going to be mixed in. Let's put the rice in. So I just put a little rice in here, no measuring. Just going to cover the bottom. Add them in there. Boom, boom. Everything's going to boil in there just right. Stir this all up. I'm even going to put the lid on. We'll let it work until everything is very soft. The spinach I like to add at the end. Spinach, or if I'm going to add egg, at the very end, like after everything is boiling and piping hot and you turn the stove off, and the spinach doesn't need to be cooked. All right, it's actually ready. It's looking good. This is the consistency we want. We're going to turn it on off. All right, let's take a look at it, how it's looking. So we don't want sticking at the bottom, so let's stir it on up, and at this point we'll remove it off of the heat, and we're going to add the spinach on in. An $8 bag of Rachel Ray's dog food lasts our doggies about a week. And homemade dog food that I make for them lasts 4 to 5 days. But, you know, hey, making the homemade dog food, I know every ingredient that's in there. There's no processing involved. And they love it more. Ooh, it's hot. Our doggies are more than ready to eat, and we put the dog food in the freezer to cool it off fast for them. Here we have Jack's portion.
Maggie's portion. Here you go, Maggie. Jack, are you waiting? Here you go, big boy. Here's your yummy food.
That's how we do it, and that's how you can do it. Be blessed.